So, how do we use RecyclerView? The first thing to note is that almost every part of RecyclerView is completely modular. The RecyclerView has an adapter that is used to provide the RecyclerView with new views when needed. This adapter is also used to bind data from some data source to the views. The adapter sends the views to a RecyclerView in an object called a view holder. The view holder contains a reference to the root view object for the item, and you are expected to use it to cache the view objects represented in the layout to make it less costly to update the views with new data. This way, findViewById gets called only for each data view whenever that new item is created, and not each time you want to populate the views in the item with data. The layout manager then tells the RecyclerView how to lay out all those views. It could be a vertically scrolling list, like we use in Sunshine, or horizontally scrolling lists, or even a staggered list or a grid. You get some awesome animations for item insertion and removal for free. Because it's based on a data source, it's easy for apps using RecyclerView to allow for filtering the list of items. Android also has an older framework for displaying lists of data called ListView. It has mostly become outdated thanks to RecyclerView for these reasons and several others.